Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So first you should have started out watching Sweet Wombat Darren Nixon from Venom Fluid Art. After him, you're here with me, Creations by Christy. After me, you have Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art. After Shannon, you have Sister Bubbles with Venom Fluid Art. And after her, you have the sweet Hippy Dippy Painterman and maybe my lovely sis cat. Alright, so today I think I'm going to do a funnel pour. Haven't done one in a while, so I figured what the heck. I've got some colors out here. I'll try to tell you what they are as I put them in the funnel. Meanwhile, I'm just going to play some music and let you guys watch.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. It's funny how easily a life could be torn apart. Why couldn't I simply see that I was sick at heart and I am in deep debt? The climb we did was unreal. You made me so speechless. I just can't believe it. You broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was my own enemy, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. I rise from the ashes with pins and patches. We carry on. I rise from the ashes. I heal from your passion. My doubts are gone. Felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. I rise from the ashes with pins and patches. We carry on. I rise from the ashes. I heal from your passion. My doubts are gone.
Alright guys, I think I'm just gonna leave it alone and I am going to bring you down for a close-up. All right, guys, here she is. Tell me what you think in the comments. Super simple, super easy, and I think it turned out really super cool. Let me know what you think. I love hearing from you guys. The cells turned out really cool, and by kind of bouncing it up and down, you got those cool lines through it that I wanted. All right, guys, up next is Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art. After Shannon, you have Sister Bubbles with Venom Fluid Art. And after her, you have the sweet Hippy Dippy Painterman and maybe my lovely sis Cat. If you missed Sweet Wombat Darren Nixon from Venom Fluid Art, he started us off the Express. Please go back and watch. All amazing people that I love to pieces. All right, guys, have a good day or good night wherever you are, and I will just see you on the next one. Love you guys. Bye.